welcome everyone to your intros. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and be sure to click that bell icon so that if I upload a new video, which follow us on Instagram. So guys, today we're back here at Universal Orlando Resort. Today we're going to be talking about all the original announcements we've got this week, talking about where their locations is going to be so far for what's speculated, and of course we're here to catch Megan one last time because they're leaving tomorrow, June 30th. So we're starting to get our spots here to catch Megan one more time. If you don't know when they're coming out, they always come out at every hour on the 30th. So yeah, we're gonna wait here, get a good spot until Megan comes out. guys, for construction update for the both sprung tents. We have already kind of confirmation of which one this one's gonna be. So this one's gonna be HHN chains, and then that one's going to be dolls. Let's Play Dead. So far for the facade for HHN chains, it's still not going up. They have again more trucks, so that's probably more props from the inside. I'll just have to wait a bit, but hopefully maybe next time we visit, maybe we're gonna take a break now from Universal. Like after this video, we're gonna take a break, like maybe a week or two. Hopefully that's when we'll get an actual facade. We just need to wait. Hopefully, you know, we'll get more like later, more like facade work actually happening for. Oh, we have some truss work also. I saw that recently. Yeah, you see the truss work? There's some truss work right there. So yeah, at least they're working on that. I wonder what that's for. Probably maybe for the facade. So guys, we stopped by like right in front of the Fear Factor stage, aka the Nightmare Fuel stage, and there's actually the props for Nightmare Fuel are actually taking place. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there are like this weird, like it's like Death or like the Grim Reaper. There's like a lot of them around, and I can see like in between. It's like this weird face made of like human flesh. That's what I'm thinking, kind of. It looks really weird. I don't know if let's show you guys. We took a picture. Let's see if it looks better with the phone. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up. But yeah, that it's like hooded figures. Like it's like the Grim Reaper, but there's a lot of them. And from like you know, the camera doesn't pick up the same as like what we see, but you can see like their masks are like skulls. So I don't know, this looks really interesting. Obviously Nightmare Fuel doesn't have any speculation for what could it be, only that they will be returning. So I don't know what to think of it. I'm thinking maybe they'll kind of attach it to the actual theme of this year, like the observatory. Maybe, or maybe we'll get something like Weird Death. We're gonna try. Maybe we're gonna go back. Like maybe we'll walk over there. Maybe we'll see maybe more. But from what we can see, it looks really nice. It's changed a lot from last week. So guys, we stopped by Fast and the Furious location, which we know is gonna be Jason Universe location. And I don't know if you guys can spot it. That's right there. It's the facade. It's gonna be Jason's shack. But right there, there's a little bit of like a treetops. So probably we're gonna walk through the forest, kind of. And if they do that, that's gonna be really nice. So yeah, that's basically the update we have for the Fast and Furious location. We still have to wait a bit. Now, over in the sprung tents, we just passed the back two sprung tents. Obviously, we have one of the locations gonna be Fallout, which is, it's been confirmed already. And then the other one is going to be the monsters of the north. So we'll just have to like wait and see. Now we do have some friends that work for Universal, and they recently spotted like the thumbs up guy from Fallout inside the Fallout house. So that sounds really cool. Now, like I said, Jason's facade, this is Jason Universal facade. This is basically what we can see. Not much, because the facade's not like last year. It's not facing this way. It's facing that way. So that's basically what we can see. But yeah, we have some more like greenery. So we have trees. That's really nice to see. A little bit of change since Wednesday. Okay, so guys, for this little alleyway, you guys know that we always have some type of food booth here, especially right here being the food booth, and then having you know, all the line coming but down here. Now we do have a bit of like new lighting. There's some lighting up there, as you guys can see. Obviously we don't know what's coming here yet, but from what I am speculating, I'm thinking that this may be the Fallout booth, or it could be Five Nights at Freddy's, but I'm thinking more that this could be the Fallout booth. They can make this whole thing look a bit like apocalyptic, kind of what they did with A Quiet Place. So yeah, we just have to wait and see for this one. But yeah, I'm thinking that's gonna be Fallout, probably, most probably. I'm thinking that this will most definitely, yeah, Fallout. Like I said, there's no speculation about what will be here, but I'm thinking this will be 99% sure that this will be the Fallout booth. Okay, so guys, we have another update. So this location was rumored to be either WWE, Horse of WWE, or El Artista. So one thing that actually is kind of concerning me, not in a bad way because I know they're gonna make it in a different way, but here we usually have an entrance and we have work balls there. So you're gonna block out this area. Like, where are we going to enter those houses? This is gonna be a very interesting year. Also, obviously, back over there in the sound stages, we do have probably Five Nights at Freddy's and Terrifier, the rumored Terrifier, and of course we have a new announcement this week, Grave of Flesh. You know, if you guys want all the descriptions, you can either check it on Instagram, or I will be posting a podcast with all the details about it. But now let's get the outro done as we walk out the park. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's update for HHN construction. It is going great. Nightmare Field looks amazing. I'm still thinking about what could it be, but as you guys saw, that was a really nice look. And of course, parking tents are going on their way. We still have to wait and see how they will reroute those houses' entrances. But we'll be here back soon to talk about more about all that and more of the HHN construction and speculation. Now, if you're coming to the parks, be aware that now this summer from like 2 to 3 p.m. or earlier, there was always going to be like this crazy rainfall where it looks like a hurricane and it stops. So if you're going to the parks, plan to go to the parks here, just plan or bring rain coats or anything because it's going to rain no matter the day or the time. But after that, at like 5 p.m., the sun will come out again. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to click that bell icon to notify I upload a new video. Search follow us on Instagram. And remember, guys, if you can find it, you can do it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.